Hello everyone, my name is Jesse. Welcome back to the bonus missions where I can only use the starter pack. I'm going to be, of course, still using Volcano Bar for Upner. And, this time I remembered to change the difficulty to Nightmare beforehand. Nice.
Greetings, young Portal Master. How may I help you?
Right. Oh, now I gotta turn off the ice cream machines. Okay, but can I at least eat some of it this time? Please. I'm hungry. Did I mention that?
Oh no! Cyclopses have attacked the Yeti's ice cream machines, creating a vast ice cream storm. You must turn off the machines before all of Skylands is buried.
Gotcha.
Ready. 3, 2, 1, go!
Alright, so how do I turn them off? Oh, that was pretty simple.
Into the fire!
I feel like these levels are getting progressively shorter. And my proof of that is, well, the timers
Ice
are getting
cream
shorter.
machine found.
Alright, this is the part where I change difficulty.
Keep going.
There are keys hidden in these things too, apparently.
Level up. I'm boiling.
Nice, level up.
Can't slow this lava flow. Ice
Doing
cream
pretty
machine
well, I'd say.
found.
Okay, well, there's some ice cream I can do at least. Is it really more than I Alright.
Into the fire.
Now, you'd think my volcano attack would do more damage, but it doesn't. Really.
Ice cream machine found.
Yeah, I think I just have one more. Alright,
Ice cream machine
that's about
found.
finished with the level. I did it.
Excellent work, Portal
I
Master.
have no
Not
feeling
only
in
did
my
you stop
foot
the
right
ice
now for
cream
some
blizzard,
reason.
but you also put an end to the Cyclops' evil plan.
Bonus mission completed. New record.
Yeah, the time bonus is amazing.
Welcome back to Woodburrow, hero of Cloudbreak Islands. What can I do for you today? Wheellock mentioned that he has some new score mode challenges to test your skills. You should stop by and see him.
Whoa, that's interesting, but I sure don't care. Right, well, I didn't rank up at all, so I guess I'm ending the episode here. TV HD, subscribe.